Hey, this is Darren with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics in Jacksonville, Florida, working on a 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto, which is a Spanish fighting bull, so that needs to be pronounced in Spanish. So we did a radar system on this. In the front here, we did the laser jammers as well. So we did 4 of them up front. You can see one right there. We made a custom mount so it's level, both horizontally and vertically, I guess, I don't know, right and left. There's 2 more down here, one there, and then one down there, and then 4th one right in there. And then coming inside, we mounted the little controller up here. Try to get this clear up here. There you go. Controller's mounted there, and we did a custom mount up top here on the steering wheel for the display. And this is a pretty cool system. It actually jams the laser so they can't get a reading. And then it has 2 radar detectors, actually, which I forgot to mention. We put a radar detector behind the front here, and those are really, really sensitive. So those will probably, I don't know, a mile and a half or so, they'll start alerting you. And it's really cool because it has a GPS lockout, so we do all the settings so you don't get a lot of false alarms. I had one on my Porsche and I never had any kind of false alarms on it because we changed the settings in it to lock out, you know, all the grocery stores and Walmarts and all that kind of stuff. So it never falses. And then in the back here, we got 1, 2 sensors. Those are the laser jammers. And then there's another radar in the back here. So we were actually able to do it in the back. Not a lot of people do it. We had to take the whole underside of the car off to get the bumper off. So it was definitely a ton of work for this car to get this radar system in here. But it's pretty sweet. They work amazing. They actually lock out and jam the laser guns. So what it'll do is actually, when they get shot with the laser gun, it realizes what kind of laser gun it is. And one of those is basically spits out a signal back to the police officer and gives them a reading like they miss. I did talk to a couple cops and they did say that they can tell when people have these jammers on here, but at the same time they can't give them a ticket. So it's a pretty cool system. We do a ton of these things. They have to be installed properly to work. So we fix a lot of other shops' work. They don't do them correctly. So we end up repairing them for them and get them to work right. But if you're in Jacksonville, give us a call, 904-333-2322.